We thank God for kahit na umuulan, nandito tayo. Salamat sa pagpupursige. Naglilingkod pa rin yung mga volunteers natin. Salamat sa pagmamahal, no? Sa fidelity. Kagabi, kinakwento ko sa misa kagabi about nung linggo, no? Nung misa, nakalimutan ko yung sasabihin, no? Nag-mental block. I had a mental block and I forgot. I completely forgot what to say. No? Nakakahiya man aminin. I just had to excuse myself because I didn't know what to say. No? First time it ever happened. And it was something, I think, related to the gospel today. No? Sabi sa Ebanghelyo, pati yung first reading, no? May nagtanim, may nagdidilig, no? God allows it to grow. We do not know how. There are many things happening in our lives, hindi natin kontrol eh. No? Everything belongs to Him. Lahat sa Kanya eh. We have really nothing to really brag about. Lahat, no? Kasi inaakala natin, sigurado gigising ako, no? Sigurado yung katabi ko nandiyan pa. Sigurado ako. Hindi tayo nakakasigurado eh. Everything is really grace from God. I can still think I'm sharing this because of God's grace. Makakakain pa ako because of God's grace. Everything belongs to God, to the grace of God. Without it, we think we can stand. No way. We cannot stand without Him. Everything comes from Him. Kaya nga si Jesus, again, no, this is how important prayer is. We are connected to that source. Kumbaga naka-recharge tayo araw-araw ko sa cellphone. We are always naka-connect, naka-charge. May signal lagi tayo. And that signal is constantly being renewed in prayer. Kung hindi tayo naka-connect sa Kanya, hindi tayo nag-charge sa Kanya, kanino tayo naka-charge? Kanino tayo kumukuha ng lesson plan para sa mga guro? Kanino tayo kumukuha ng mission? Ano ba gagawin ko itong araw na ito? Everything comes from Him in that prayer. Lahat naman nagbumula sa Kanya eh. No? And because of that, because we are aware, we know everything comes from Him, we have to stay connected all the time. How important it is to stay connected. And we thank God for this beautiful reminder that really everything belongs to Him. Lahat ay hiram sa Diyos. Lahat ng ito ay hiram sa Diyos. Yung buhay natin, yung ginagawa natin, yung pag-iisip natin, yung paghinga natin is really coming from God. Anytime it can be taken away. Lahat pwede mawala. So, salamat sa misang to na pinapaalala sa atin. Salamat itong Wednesday na ito na lagi tayo tumatakbo sa inanalagin sa Klolo, Our Lady of Perpetual Help, who always be here to guide us. Help us to be faithfully connected to You. Because on our own, we are nothing. Absolutely nothing. Amen.